Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
We're taking a look at the satellite and radar imagery across the Pacific Northwest. Lots of sunshine for inland areas. This very quiet and dry October continues, and it will persist as we head through the middle of the month and even into next week, with temperatures remaining well above average. We do have coastal marine clouds keeping temperatures very cool at the coast. Only 52 in Port Orford, 56 degrees in Brookings, but inland areas in the 80s, 87 in Eagle Point, 86 in Jacksonville. We're at 88 in Grants Pass, 70 up at Lake of the Woods. Down in Siskiyou County, widespread 80s for most spots. 80 in Mount Shasta. It's 83 degrees in Wairika and 88 in Happy Camp. Another warm day for the basin, but it was chilly this morning. Temperatures starting off in the 20s and lower 30s, but we've rebounded into the 70s to lower 80s. 75 in Paisley, and it's 80 in Klamath Falls. Tonight, we'll look for more chilly temperatures for the east side. 32 in Klamath Falls. Some spots east of the Cascades, though, will dip back down into the 20s, down to 46 in Medford, 42 in Wairika, and marine clouds and fog, keeping things very foggy along the coast and cool. Right around 50 for an overnight low in Brookings. Now, when it comes to smoke, we do have still the Cedar Creek fire producing quite a bit of smoke with this very warm and dry weather we've been seeing. And some of this smoke that's up into Douglas County will drift south as we head into tomorrow. So there will be patchy areas of smoke and haze with maybe some at least minor impacts to air quality, at times moderate. For high school football games tomorrow evening, we should be fine, and temperatures will just be pretty warm at kickoff, especially for games going on west of the Cascades. Here's a look at tomorrow. Up to 80 in Klamath Falls, 90 in Medford, 87 degrees in Wairika, clearing marine clouds along the coast, so up to 72 degrees in Brookings. It should be a warmer day tomorrow for coastal communities. For the Rogue Valley through the weekend, lots of sunshine, cool mornings, but some pretty hot afternoon highs, with the temperatures topping out near to around 90 degrees right through the weekend. This weekend, Saturday, we have the Rogue Marathon going on in the Rogue Valley. The marathon begins at 6:50 a.m. Temperatures will be chilly in the 40s, but by 11 o'clock, temperatures steadily increasing into the 60s, and then we'll head up for highs up around 90 Saturday afternoon in the Rogue Valley. The coast, look for increasing marine clouds again as we head through the weekend. Cooler temperatures as well, and then in the basin, sunny and warm. Highs up around 80 tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. The dry weather continues. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. Some increased clouds, but likely staying dry through the weekend into the first part of next week. Northern California, look for those temperatures to climb well up into the 80s the next few days. Notice a little bit of a dip in temperatures Monday, Tuesday, and into next week, but those numbers still above average for this time of the year. The basin, chilly mornings, but those afternoons will be warm with highs up around 80, dropping back into the 70s for highs into the next week. And then for the Cascades and the Siskiyous, sunny and dry conditions. Some areas of haze possible in the days ahead due to the Cedar Creek fire. And then in the Rogue Valley, look for those temperatures to stay very summer-like here through the weekend. Still pretty warm into next week, but it does look like by the end of next week into the following weekend, we get into a cooler and wetter weather pattern for us, which would be great news. We'll talk more about that coming up at 6.
All right, that's definitely good news. Thanks, Matt. Appreciate it.